I'm very proud to say on behalf of all of us at John Paul Mitchell Systems that our tea tree partnered with reforest'action to make a big change on this planet. Do you know together in parts of the world where they really need trees like Haiti, parts of Peru, we have planted with them over 500,000 trees. Now that's making a difference. This partnership, with your help, has really improved the world. Climate change has slowed by sequestering 100,000 tons of CO2 over 30 years. By conserving the rainforest, we have provided environmental protection. Community health and air quality has improved, creating a healthier life for the locals. Local economies have grown by increasing revenues from the rich resources that we are helping plant. Most important, we are teaching children how the role of trees and forests play in their daily lives. Whenever you're involved with tea tree or have that bottle in your hand, you know you're doing something not just for the greatest hair care products for your scalp and hair, but also to make the world a better place to live because of you. Peace, love, and happiness.